and then he was talking to us, so what happened, Shiloh?
We're going to jail. What's up guys, welcome back to Windsor's Wheels. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shiloh Windsor. Today is going to be a very special and exciting day. As you know, we've been building this 1969 Dodge Charger and we want to get some use out of it. So we figured what's a better idea than going up to the mountains and doing a little bit of hiking and barbecuing today. So today we got our hiking backpack packed up. We have some corn and some other sides. I actually want to show you guys a special secret family recipe marinade that I do for steaks. It's really good. But yeah, we want to get all this done, get the Charger started up, and get up to the mountains. But guys, make sure to stay tuned for the very end of this video because we have a very, very special surprise for you guys. So let's stop talking. Let's get to cooking. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the top of the mountain. The Charger is one heck of an off-roading vehicle. What do you think?
It's interesting for sure.
It is interesting. So we are actually here at the trailhead. We are in mountain lion habitat. We found a few trails. We're gonna go exploring a little bit and you know, kind of wear ourselves down until it's time to eat. So let's stop talking and let's get to hiking. All right guys, so we are about 2 miles into our hike. I'm tired. I got about a 50 pound pack on my back. McKenna, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
She's feeling great. Guys, Wyoming's such a beautiful, it has such a beautiful environment. The diversity, you have the snow, you have the big trees, you have the streams, there's a waterfall around here somewhere. It's amazing. And being able to come out here and kind of social distance like this, you know, we're not stuck in our house, but I mean, I don't think you can get much further away from people than what we're doing right now. So we're being safe. The Charger's getting a little bit of social distancing too. We're having a good time. We're having a good time. So y'all keep being safe.
There's a park ranger down there looking at the Charger. I don't know if we're in trouble or if he's just admiring it.
We might be in trouble.
Well,
we're probably gonna go down there and check it out.
All right guys, we just got down from part of our hike. We started it on this hill that we could still see the Charger from there, just because we obviously don't want anybody messing with it. And after we got to the top of this peak, we saw a car and someone walking around the Charger. And after looking at it a little longer, we noticed that it was a park ranger. So we came back down, you know, to see if he was just admiring the car, if we did something wrong, you know, what the issue was. And then he was talking to us. So what happened, Shiloh?
We're going to jail. No, I'm kind of stupid. Obviously with state parks, you have to pay a fee to use the parks when you come in. And we paid the fee, but you're supposed to put a ticket up on your dashboard, and I left it in my pocket. And he thought we were in here illegally. So we did get a pretty good hike in. I ain't walking back up that mountain though.
Yeah.
I'm a little tired, so I think it's time we go find a good spot to grill these steaks up.
Let's do it.
Guys, so we actually just got done hiking. We went and found a camp spot to grill our steaks, but we're actually starting to get some snowflakes. The wind's starting to pick up, as you can probably hear. We found a beautiful spot for the Charger though. But honestly, it required us to drive up a pretty big pass to get here, and I really don't want to risk driving the Charger down it with it snowing. So I think we're gonna hop back in, get it back home. We're gonna go ahead and make the steaks at home and let you guys know what the surprise is for our next video. So let's get back home. All right, guys, so we did make it home, and as you can see, I am glad we did come home because now it is snowing pretty hard, which sucks. The weather said that it was supposed to be sunny all day, and obviously Wyoming doesn't want to cooperate with us on that one. So we decided to bring it home and just pull out the grill. As you can see, we got the charcoals going. This is usually what we do, but we like to go hiking and camping and, you know, doing the mountain man thing and making our own steaks over our own fire, but it's just not gonna happen today. But the Charger did great. That was actually the longest drive it has ever been on. That was probably an hour trip round. So I'm very happy with how it did. Didn't skip a beat, driving up mountains, doing everything it needed to do. So I'm super pumped about that, actually. It was a good little shakedown test. So now we are back home. We're gonna get these steaks on the grill. We're gonna get these cooked up, get dinner ready, and I think McKenna wants to share with you guys what she has planned for our next video, for our next build. A little bit of a surprise ruiner right there. I can't keep my mouth shut, but it's all right. She's pretty excited about it. So let us get dinner cooked up, and we will get right back with y'all. All right, guys, so after a long day of hiking, driving in the mountains, fighting park rangers, we finally made it home. We got our dinner made. I don't know, how do you think today went?
It was kind of a spontaneous trip, so it was interesting, but I feel like sometimes those are our most fun trips too. And the Charger's definitely an interesting car to take up to the mountains. We got some pretty crazy looks up there too, but I think it was fun.
No, yeah, we definitely got a lot of crazy looks. We were on dirt roads, trying to find good trails to hike, and to say the least, even the park ranger was asking what the heck were we doing up there with that car. So, but it also did get a lot of attention too. You know, that a lot of people stopped and was asking us about it, and it was cool. But I think that we both have come to the realization that it is time for something different.
Something new.
We live in Wyoming, we live up in the mountains, so I think it's time to build something off-road related.
For the mountains. For
the mountains. And McKenna has a bit of a plan for that, but I think that's all we're going to tell you guys for now. So you're going to have to stay tuned for our next video. We have big plans. We have a lot of things on the way that you guys don't want to miss. So make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Guys, go follow us on Instagram at Windsor's Wheels. We have that's kind of where you see the first looks to everything, where we post our first pictures, when we give updates to videos that are coming out. But yeah, and guys, also just a huge shout out to everybody that's been supporting us and keeping us going, especially during these hard times. Guys, make sure to stay healthy. We wanted to do this video to just kind of show you guys, you know, how you can do some social distancing and you don't have to be locked up in the house. I mean, obviously we live in the mountains, so that's our option. But guys, just stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for the support. And what do you think?
I think there's nothing to it but to do it.
There ain't nothing to it but to do it, brother. All right, guys. Peace.
Bye.